Kicking off our list is the Hyundai Mobis e-Corner system. Imagine being able to move your car like a crab, effortlessly parallel parking or navigating tight urban spaces. Imagine turning your car in place with minimal movement, driving diagonally, or even performing a full 360-degree pivot, all possible thanks to this incredible system. First up is the zero-turn mode. This allows the vehicle to rotate in place, making it a breeze to navigate tight spaces. Next, we have the pivot turn. This unique movement is akin to drawing a circle with a compass, where the vehicle rotates around a central axis designated by the driver. The diagonal driving mode is another game changer. By rotating all four wheels in the same direction, the vehicle can move diagonally, perfect for slipping into tight parking spots or avoiding obstacles in close quarters. Each wheel is equipped with an in-wheel motor, electric steering, electric brake, and damper, all integrated to operate independently. The in-wheel motor directly controls the wheel's movement, while the electric steering changes its direction. The electric brake manages speed, and the damper absorbs shocks, ensuring a smooth ride. Parallel parking in a narrow space, turning 90 degrees in an alley, and executing precise movements in tight environments are now realities, thanks to this groundbreaking technology. The Hilltip Ice Striker is a prime example of how innovation can enhance road safety and efficiency during winter conditions. By combining advanced technology with a user-friendly design, this salt and sand spreader has become a valuable tool for maintaining road accessibility in challenging weather. The Ice Striker's versatility, efficiency, durability, and environmental impact are key factors contributing to its success. Its ability to transform into a brine solution sprayer or a pre-wet combi salt spreader, combined with precise spreading, long-lasting construction, and reduced environmental impact, make it a top choice for winter maintenance. While the Ice Striker is a solid product, exploring options for larger hopper capacities, integrating advanced automation features like GPS-guided spreading and automatic spreader control, considering battery-powered models to reduce emissions and noise pollution, and developing innovative material handling systems for easier loading and unloading of salt and sand could further enhance its capabilities. The Ice Striker ensures that every inch of the road is treated, keeping you safe even in the harshest winter conditions. For the adventurers at heart, the ARB Earth Camper is your ultimate companion. Designed for the toughest terrains, this off-road camper transforms your vehicle into a mobile home. Leveraging ARB's decades of experience in 4x4 equipment, the Earth Camper is built to withstand the harshest environments, making it the ultimate companion for those who crave adventure. ARB has combined its extensive knowledge across product categories to create a camper that is as durable as it is innovative. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or setting up camp in a remote location, the Earth Camper is designed to handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of the Earth Camper is its freestanding ARB awning. The awning comes equipped with poles for extra stability during windy conditions and an inbuilt LED ambient light for those late nights around the campfire. When it comes to power, the Earth Camper is fully equipped with a 120-watt solar panel and a 100-hour lithium battery. Inside, the Earth Camper offers a surprisingly spacious and comfortable interior. A queen-sized bed provides a restful night's sleep, while the kitchen comes equipped with a 3-burner cooktop and an integrated sink with a stainless steel tap, making meal prep in the wilderness a breeze. Water is essential when you're out in the wild, and the Earth Camper has you covered with 140 liters of dual water tanks. The ARB Earth Camper is more than just a trailer. It's a gateway to adventure. Next up is the vast G-Series 18-liter water tank, a game-changer in water storage designed by explorers for explorers. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or setting up camp, this tank redefines how you fill, carry, and access your water supply, making it an essential companion for any adventure. This tank is designed to handle the rigors of any journey, ensuring your water supply remains secure no matter the terrain. Its innovative auto breather and tap outlet are equipped with a quick connect system, allowing you to access your water quickly and efficiently. Whether you're attaching it to your vehicle or integrating it into your campsite setup, this tank offers customizable solutions that adapt to your needs, keeping your water supply exactly where you need it. Its rugged construction and secure mounting solutions ensure that your water stays safe and accessible, no matter how tough the journey gets. Whether you're rehydrating after a long hike, cooking a meal, or cleaning up after a day of adventure, this tank provides the water you need when you need it, without the hassle. Next up, we have the Thule Arcos, a game-changing cargo carrier that offers ample loading space at the rear of your vehicle, keeping your roof free for other uses or to reduce wind resistance. Designed to make transporting your gear easier and more efficient, especially for those who drive electric cars or vehicles where roof boxes aren't an option, the cargo carrier attaches effortlessly to the tow bar of your car, and its low-profile design means you can still access your trunk at any time. With a durable hard-shell exterior, this cargo carrier is designed to protect your load from dirt, water, and the elements. Whether you're driving through rain, snow, or dust, your gear stays safe and secure inside the Thule Arcos. By placing your cargo at the rear, you leave your roof free for other gear like bikes, kayaks, or canoes. This is especially beneficial for smaller vehicles, allowing you to transform your car into the perfect family vehicle, capable of carrying everything you need for those long vacation trips. Ever thought you'd have fresh drinking water produced right inside your car? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's now a reality with WaterGen's groundbreaking technology. Imagine a world where you no longer need to lug around plastic water bottles, where your car itself provides clean, safe drinking water directly from the air. This mobility solution is designed to keep you hydrated on the go while contributing to a plastic-free, eco-friendly environment. It all starts with the air around you. The system draws in the surrounding air, which then passes through a high-efficiency air filter to remove any impurities. This is just the beginning of a sophisticated process that ensures the water you drink is of the highest quality, thanks to cutting-edge technology that's compact yet incredibly efficient. This process is what transforms ordinary air into fresh, drinkable water. The condensed water is then filtered and mineralized to enhance its taste and nutritional value. To ensure it's absolutely safe, the water is passed through a UV lamp, eliminating any potential contaminants. The result? Pure, clean water that's ready whenever you are. These 7 car inventions are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Which one do you think will make the biggest impact? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible automotive innovations.